Well, hello there. It's been a while. Good morning, motherfuckers. It is literally 5 in the morning. My office is a mess, but I got projects to do. So let's get into it. Okay, so I got some projects for us to get into, and I hope this mic is doing what it needs to do. Is it making noise? Can you hear that? So we're here. This is not the backdrop. This is not the setup. This is just something real quick because I literally have not made a video in weeks. Literal weeks. I'm so sorry, y'all. Y'all don't even understand. I've been going through the most. You hear me? The most. But it's okay though, because the bitch got this. Period. Oh, who is this bitch? By the way, if y'all new here, my name's Ciara, and this is Self-Made Energy. Where we want for nothing because we can manifest anything. Y'all, how long it's been? It's been a hot minute. It's been a few weeks, probably a few months. I'm slacking. My bad. I'm slacking. I'm not getting famous, so I gave up or whatever. But that's not what we do here. We don't give up. We works hard and we keeps pushing and shit happens. Like, it literally just happens. You work for it and you get it. Period. That's it. A bitch don't feel like editing videos. You feel me? This is too much for me. This right here, doing this, talking to you right now, with a backdrop behind me, right now, I had to set this shit up. You know how much work that was? You know how much I didn't want to do that? And this is why I made no videos, because aesthetically, I cannot make it pleasing. Like, I am lacking in the aesthetics right now. My house is a mess. But of course it is. I just moved in. So I'm going to try my best to edit the unaesthetic stuff out. But y'all, if y'all see a mess, it is what it is. That's life, period. But anyway, I literally hyped up off of nothing. It's 5 o'clock in the morning and I'm hype as fuck, you feel me? I got like 17 projects on the burner right now. I'm making like 18 shirts for my work because my package handlers deserve. They deserve, you feel me? If anybody deserve, they deserve. So they gonna get. Even if it makes me tired, they gonna get. And then, Bestie got a baby and baby birthday next week. So you know I gotta get a cute ass outfit for her. Glitz and glams, all the pink. So I gotta make that dress too. And then, another friend like, bitch, you trying to go to Comic-Con this weekend? Bitch, of course I'm trying to go to Comic-Con this weekend. Wait, like this weekend? Like in 6 days this weekend? So now I gotta make an outfit for that too. So I got a lot of shit to do this week. But you feel me? We gonna get it done. That's why I pulled out the camera and see if I could record something. Something. A little tiny piece. Some kind of content. Because the content is lacking, y'all. I'm trying. I really am. If I showed you my computer, it's full of videos. They just not edited, y'all. I do not like editing. And that's it. That's why y'all ain't getting no content, because I don't feel like editing it. But people keep saying like, oh, you don't need to edit. You don't gotta do all this extra. Yes, the fuck I do. Yes, I do. Because if it's not aesthetically pleasing, y'all ain't trying to watch it. If it don't got all the glitz and glams, y'all don't want to watch it. Y'all don't want to post it. Y'all don't want to like it. It gotta be super extra for y'all to even pay attention. So I'm gonna try to up the antics a little bit, but y'all gonna have to deal with this little slow burn for now because y'all asking for too much. I don't got time for that. Let's get into it. Okay, here she is. The closet full of shit I need to look through. Let's get into it. I'm looking for cosplay fabrics. Don't know what. But some kind of cosplay fabrics, you feel me? Something that says I tried. Something that says glitter, sparkles. Why do I have so much shit? Hold on, something's glistening. What's that? That could work. That could work. Do I want the pink? Do I want the blue? They're both giving a little something. They're giving a little something. What else? Okay, so Here's what we got to work with. I'm not sure what I want to be. That's an option down there. That blue and that pink, that's pretty. This blue up here might be an option as well. Who do I want to be? I should have looked some stuff up first. But actually, I've been seeing a cute Winx Club outfits, and I feel like this blue right here, that might be it. That might be it. Let's see what she looks like. Ooh, it's a little darker than I want, but it is shiny. Let's see. This is metallic. This is kinda let's try these two and see what happens. Glitters, metallics. This could be like the lining. I'm not sure. But we can help me. Okay, so I changed my mind. I was gonna go with this fabric, this dark glittery one, but then I found this one. And this one looks more like Winx Club. And it has like a slight pinky purpley. And I think it goes with the metallics a little better. And I found some plain lining just so it won't show through. But I think I'm going to use this fabric instead. Even though it's literally already something. I think I made it into a jumpsuit or something. It's literally already something. And I'm going to take that bitch apart. Yeah, she's a whole ass jumpsuit. Yeah, she's ready to be worn. I wore her 0 times. So we're going to take her apart and use her to make this Winx Club outfit. I wonder if I should try her on just so you can see what she looked like. So I started out by using a top that I like as the pattern, and I cut it out on this metallic fabric. And then I decided I don't want to use this metallic fabric. I want to be sparkly and glittery. So I decided to use the glittery fabric instead, and I just used that metallic fabric as the pattern. Cut it out and sewed it together at the seams, right sides together with a straight stitch. No, I'm lying, with a zigzag stitch because this is stretchy fabric. And y'all, I just could not get a win with this project because I sewed it together upside down. And ooh, it make a difference. So there's a problem. Alright, so I'm like, okay, I'm gonna be blue. She's supposed to be blue. It's the blue glitter. And I got it like, okay, it's gonna be like blue and pinky kinda. But this is like the view from under if you're shorter than me. If you stand up and you're taller than me, this shit is like purple. I did it upside down. I'm an idiot. Yeah. So this is the color everybody's gonna see. Not the blue, really. So now I'm like, can I be Flora? But then no, because Flora's is shaped different. So what the fuck? Okay, I mean, I do have this fabric from the Rihanna costume I made last year, and it's definitely enough to make the costume a bloom. So maybe I'll just cut this dress up. Last year's costume, this year's costume, it is what it is. Right, so I look a mess. I don't even care about that. Fresh off work, looking dirty. But anyway, okay, what time is it? Let's get it started. Literally 12:48, Thursday. I need this dress by tomorrow. So this is what we finna do. We finna take this other one day make, this Rihanna costume that I made, right? This looking like the color, right? And we finna make the outfit for Bloom out of this, because even though the one I chose was cute, I sewed it upside down. So it's not blue anymore. Now it's like pinky purple. Still cute, not correct. See? You see that? What is that next to that? Not blue. Okay, so we gonna use this, and I'm not even about to waste no more time. I don't got time. I got work tonight. I need to sleep also, so we need to get this done now. So again, I took the metallic fabric that's stretchy, and I used that to cut out the pattern on this fabric that's not stretchy, but I didn't realize. I wasn't paying attention because I was rushing. So I did all of this for no reason because I couldn't fit it over my damn head. So I didn't wear this either. So I ended up making this outfit 2 times for no reason because I ended up wearing the pinky colored one. And it came out cute. I didn't really like it. I hated my outfit the entire day, but I enjoyed myself either way. And I took a couple pictures. It is what it is. Anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like, leave a comment, share, all that good stuff. And I promise y'all, it's gonna be more videos to come. So make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell so you get notified when I drop videos, since I don't have a schedule or anything. Alright y'all, I'm wishing you all love, peace, and cupcakes. Bye.